Dear students, in this video I am going to explain the formation of mirages. Mirage is an optical illusion where it appears that water is collected on the road at a distant place. But when we get there, the road is dry. On hot summer days, the air near the ground becomes hotter than the air at higher levels. Light travels faster through the thinner hot air than through the denser cool air above it. Hot air near the road has less refractive index than the cool dense air above it. A ray of light from a height object passes through the medium towards the ground, undergoes total internal reflection, and the angle of incidence is more than the critical angle. So the distant observer feels that the ray of light is coming from the ground, and due to continuous reflection causes optical illusion. The higher objects appear inverted. So this is very important phenomena, and one of the greatest light properties of total internal reflection. So mirages are formed in hot summer day. Let me explain some of the points we have to remember on mirages. Here we have mirage on a distant road surface. During hot summer day, the road surface is very hot and air at higher altitude is cool. The cool air is at higher refractive index than hot air just above the ground. When the ray of light passes through the medium, it suffers refraction due to total internal reflection. This appears to the observer that it is coming from the ground, that it appears to the observer like water on the ground, which is a visual image of sky. So this kind of optical illusion is called mirage. Next we are going to take another subject, that is question. Take a glass vessel. Here is the glass vessel are there, and pour some glycerin into vessel, and next pours water. So next take a quartz glass rod. So that glass rod is quartz. It is made with quartz glass rod kept in the vessel. Observe the glass rod by the sides of glass vessel. What changes do you notice? What could be the reason for these changes? Let me explain. The refractive index of water is 1.33 and glycerin is 1.46, and quartz glass, that means a glass rod made with quartz glass. So quartz glass refractive index is 1.46. So inside the water, the glass rod appears like broken piece. So because due to the refraction, the light ray travels from air to water, it bends at the surface. That means it changes its direction at the interface, so it is refraction. But inside the glycerin, it disappears because glycerin and glass rod made with quartz have equal refractive index. Because of that, because of equal refractive index of glycerin and glass rod disappears. We can't see the glass rod in glycerin. Next is, in what cases light ray does not deviate at interface of two media. So here we have two cases. Case number 1, if the incident ray falls along the normal, then light ray does not deviate. Here 1 and 2 are the mediums we have taken. So at interface, the light does not deviate because it falls or it travels along the normal. Second case, if the refractive index of 1 and 2 are equal, that means 1 and 2 mediums are equal, light ray does not deviate. So these are the